This winter, we had a hard freeze. How do I help my fiddle leaf fig recover? And this is Karen in Avon Park, Florida. So Camille, hard freeze. We know something about a hard freeze, right? Mm-hmm. So how does she help it recover?
If your fiddle leaf fig did survive a hard freeze, you could cut it back to any of the growth points. Okay. So it'll have fresh green nodes that are coming, and you can cut it back to that point. But a fiddle leaf fig probably won't survive a hard freeze. It'll probably die. You might be able to get away with that in a few years in Florida, but you should probably put it in a pot and bring it inside if you're going to get a hard freeze. It's a tropical plant.
Right, it's a tropical plant.
Yeah, depending on where you are in Florida, right? Are you in the Panhandle? Are you up north? Are you way down south? So definitely depends on your typical weather patterns.
Typical weather pattern. And I will say this, I would not fertilize it. Right, the plant is already stressed.
Good point.
Right.
So
not
just let it continue to grow, see if it can grow out of it, and then maybe the next growing season I would fertilize it, but not just right off.